Biophilic design. Explore nature-inspired homes and sanctuaries in contemporary architecture. Introduction. Embracing biophilic design. Welcome to BioGSTD, where we explore cutting-edge architectural trends and interior design innovations. In today's video, we dive into the world of biophilic design, a concept that celebrates the deep connection between humans and nature through architectural and interior design. Biophilic design aims to create environments that foster well-being, enhance creativity, and provide a sense of tranquility by integrating natural elements into modern living spaces. Join us as we explore stunning examples of nature-inspired homes and sanctuaries, revealing how these designs transform everyday living into a harmonious experience with nature. If you're passionate about architecture and design, make sure to subscribe, like, Understanding biophilic design, the basics. Biophilic design is grounded in the idea that humans have an innate connection to nature, which can significantly impact our health, productivity, and overall well-being. This approach to design seeks to incorporate natural elements into built environments to enhance our connection to the natural world. Key principles include the use of natural light, incorporation of plant life, natural materials, and creating spaces that evoke a sense of tranquility and comfort. By understanding these core principles, we can better appreciate how biophilic design transforms spaces into Historical roots of biophilic design. The concept of biophilia, or the love of life and living systems, was popularized by biologist Edward O. Wilson in the 1980s. However, the roots of biophilic design can be traced back to ancient architectural practices where natural elements were integral to building designs. Historical examples include traditional Japanese homes with their seamless integration of indoor and outdoor spaces, and Mediterranean architecture that embraces natural light and outdoor courtyards. By examining these historical precedents, we gain insight. Modern applications of biophilic design. In contemporary architecture, biophilic design has been embraced in various innovative ways. Modern architects and designers utilize advanced technologies and materials to incorporate nature-inspired elements into urban environments. This includes the use of living walls, green roofs, and extensive glazing to bring natural light and views into indoor spaces. Additionally, designers are increasingly focusing on creating environments that promote mental health and well-being, such as incorporating water features and natural textures that enhance the sensory experience of Case Study, Nature-Inspired Homes. Let's delve into some real-world examples of nature-inspired homes that exemplify biophilic design principles. One notable example is the Eden Project in Cornwall, England, which features large biomes housing diverse plant species. The design integrates natural elements into a futuristic structure, creating an immersive environment that fosters a connection with nature. Another example is the Falling Water House by Frank Lloyd Wright, which famously blends seamlessly with its natural surroundings, exemplifying the integration of architecture with the natural landscape. Design elements in biophilic homes. Biophilic homes often incorporate a variety of design elements to enhance the natural connection. Key elements include the use of natural materials such as wood, stone, and clay, large windows that maximize natural light and provide views of the outdoors, and the inclusion of indoor plants and green spaces. Additionally, water features such as fountains and ponds can be integrated to create a calming atmosphere. These elements not only improve aesthetic appeal but also contribute to a healthier and more enjoyable living environment. The role of natural light in biophilic design. Natural light plays a crucial role in biophilic design, as it influences mood, productivity, and overall well-being. Architects and designers use strategies such as skylights, expansive windows, and light wells to maximize the amount of natural light entering a space. The strategic placement of windows and the use of reflective surfaces help distribute light evenly throughout the interior, creating a bright and inviting atmosphere. By harnessing the benefits of natural light, biophilic design creates spaces that feel more connected to the outdoors and enhance the quality of life for occupants. Creating outdoor sanctuaries. Outdoor sanctuaries are an essential aspect of biophilic design, providing spaces where individuals can connect with nature and unwind. These sanctuaries can include private gardens, rooftop terraces, and tranquil courtyards. By incorporating elements such as lush plantings, comfortable seating, and water features, these outdoor spaces become extensions of the indoor living environment. They offer a retreat from the hustle and bustle of daily life, allowing residents to experience the calming effects of nature in their own Sustainable practices in biophilic design. Biophilic design is often closely linked with sustainable practices, as both aim to create environments that are harmonious with nature. Sustainable practices such as using eco-friendly materials, implementing energy-efficient systems, and reducing waste are integral to biophilic design. By focusing on sustainability, designers ensure that biophilic spaces are not only aesthetically pleasing but also environmentally responsible. This alignment between biophilic design and sustainability reinforces the goal of creating spaces Conclusion: the future of biophilic design. In conclusion, biophilic design represents a powerful approach to creating living spaces that nurture our connection with nature and enhance our overall well-being. As we continue to explore and implement these principles, we are likely to see even more innovative and inspiring examples of nature-inspired homes and sanctuaries. We hope you enjoyed this exploration of biophilic design and its impact on contemporary architecture. If you found this video insightful, please subscribe to BioGSTD, like this video, and